This is Dr. Dennis Lox, Sports and Regenerative Medicine expert. I'm going to talk a little different today. What's a typical week like? They're not all the same. Sometimes I get a lot of elderly patients with severe osteoarthritis. Sometimes I get very complicated cases from different parts of the world with avascular necrosis or other significant complications. I had a concert pianist from London, and then I get weeks where I have all kinds of athletes from all different sports. One particular week I had a lot of martial artists from every discipline, and it was quite unique because they were from every different martial arts discipline. This guy was one who was 80, and we did his knees, and after we did it, he wanted to show his flexibility, and so he did the splits right after putting stem cells in his knee. Obviously very fit and very limber at 80, but as you can see, we've had a lot of different kinds of athletes. This was a Russian figure skating champion, a lot of professional football players, some very famous elite bodybuilders, Mr. Olympia's boxing champions. So we have, very interesting athletes that come in, and then we have just the regular people who work real hard and their joints are wearing out because they lay tile and they're on their knees all day, and we get weekend warriors who beat themselves up. So we have quite a unique practice where we see all kinds of things, but it's by no means all professional athletes, but we do get our share of really interesting elite athletes in here. But we take care of everything from teenagers to my oldest patient has been 96. When they're 96, you're not going to make them run marathons. You're trying to keep them functional in their homes, and keeping them from a nursing home is a very valid, reasonable goal for them. And bad things happen in nursing homes. So that patient presented to me, researched me, and I asked him what his goal was, and he says, I want to stay at a nursing home. So that was a very valid goal, and I thought that was a worthwhile undertaking. And we kept him out of a nursing home until he passed away, and that was very rewarding for me to help him out in that stage. So it's quite fun practicing this way, and the patients we see and meet are quite interesting. Elie Wiesel, a Nobel Prize winning author, autographed one of his books for me, Nights. Just a remarkable man to speak with, and so we get some really interesting people, so it's a very rewarding practice.